is LA Mayor Eric Garcetti's Maker Summit and Toolbox L.A. grand opening. So excited to officially open the doors. Toolbox L.A. is a shared workspace for location-independent workers. We're building an ecosystem of creators and artists, entrepreneurs, founders, scientists, people that are making things and wanting to change the world. So we're building this space to bring people together.
BASC, the builders and scientists, the entrepreneurs, the artists, they can all congregate in this one area. There's very few places in LA that could accommodate that.
Most of the incubators and centers are for people are creating high-tech stuff. And this is focusing on manufacturing.
They provide a collective space with all different tools, especially for hardware people. It's very convenient, and also they provide a lot of support.
I think a lot of people don't realize that LA is the largest manufacturing center in the country.
Manufacturing is a key driver of economic prosperity. So hearing from folks that want to create the next generation of manufacturing is exciting.
When I see the kind of mentorship going on or young entrepreneurs realizing that they're not alone and that they have access to networks and funding, these hubs make community. And that's where things start. This is an incredible culmination of a lot of people who have big ideas.
As I think about the future, I'm excited that we're carving a space for innovation and entrepreneurship in the San Fernando Valley, where a lot of people told us it wasn't possible.
Right here in the San Fernando Valley, you have job opportunities, there's people in creative industries. The fact that Toolbox has come in and given us a makeover and breathed life back into this community, and brought creativity and style and venture capital funding and entrepreneurship, the kind of talent that's aggregating in this building today, it's just the start. I think this is the spark and the fire is coming.